2020 Ford T250. That's the 3/4 ton. All-wheel drive work van. Fully kitted with all the stuff you need inside. But again, all-wheel drive. Hi, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Let's talk about this awesome van. It has 20,000 miles. It's one owner. It's clear Carfax, independently inspected. Full bumper-to-bumper warranty on it. You can extend that warranty in our finance office. Speaking of financing, get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. You're buying a work van. You're a busy guy. We don't need to keep you all day, so we're not going to do that to you. We put brand new tires on it. The inspection said they weren't really good for the miles. We got the backup camera, air cruise tilt, windows locks, all the phone hookups, all the traffic safety stuff you need. The backup camera, the Bluetooth, lots of plugins, high quality vinyl. Got the bulkhead, Adrian steel package inside. Look at those toolboxes top to bottom. That's probably $2,000 sitting there. Hard to believe, but they do not give this interior stuff away. Again, all lined out. Ladder racks, again, Adrian steel, both sides. You can see it's got the glass, but it also has the grates in it. Keep it secure. Rear glass with grating. All-wheel drive. That's the best part. Where do you find them? Look at that beautiful lighting package. Tank holders. Again, this just all kinds of nice. I bet you there's $10,000, $11,000 or more on this van. Let's talk about price. We will not have the lowest advertised price, but we have drive-away prices. We are not like these big box dealers that advertise a low price that they don't honor. Price you see is price you pay. We do have a $145 dock fee. Otherwise, that's it. No other fees except for state fees, but you can pay them yourself or we can collect them. Doesn't make any difference. Vary from state to state, county to county. So yeah, again, one owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, factory warranty, didn't even need a service. Nice equipment on it. All-wheel drive, 3.5 liter. So yeah, fast financing, no hidden fees. That's the Autorama advantage.